Dear students, we were discussing about the capital budgeting. Now, in the next lecture, what we are going to discuss is basically the techniques of the capital budgeting. Why we need the techniques of the capital budgeting, or what is the technique? Basically, if we have a different projects, if we have a different choices are there, like we want to buy a machine. Obviously, there are many type of machines available. If we are buying a truck, for example, there are different trucks are available with a different capacity, different loading capacity, different you can say the size, the price will be different, even their useful life or the will be different. So in that case, we have to make the decision. For this purpose, we have a different techniques while making the decision of the capital budgeting. For example, if we have a investment of the $40,000, and we have two options like A and the B. Like we want to buy a machine. The two machines are available in the market, and both have a total 40,000 of the investment. And their inflows, or what we say the benefit from these machines, like in the year 1, 2, 3, are different, like 18,000 here, 18, but here it is 25,000 in the first year, second year it is 15,000, and third year it is 9,000. So now we have to make the choice. How we will make the choice? We have a different options, we have a different techniques. For example, the first technique, which is the very basic one, where you can see the raw one, that is called as the payback period. The next technique that we have is the accounting rate of return. Then we have the net present value, and then we have an internal rate of return. One more technique is also available, that is basically the payback period. It may be a simple one, or it may be with the discounted one. So this one we can say one more technique can be available. And again, just like a net present value, one more technique relevant to that, that is the profitability index, that is also available. So these techniques we will discuss one by one, and we will see that how this will help while making the decision of the capital budgeting. So in this lecture, we are just considering what are the main techniques of the capital budgeting, and if we have a different options or different opportunities available, then how we will make the decision that which one is the better one, like buying a machine A is better one, or buying the machine B is better for the company, because they have a different inflows, there may be different outflows, or there may be the life is different. So according to that, we have to make the decision. So in next lectures, we will discuss all these techniques one by one, and then we will say that how these techniques will help the company or the business while making the decisions. Thank you.